children, 4th class Maths, Unit 2, Addition and Subtraction, Exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1 we start now children. Unit 1 over. Unit 2 we start. Okay children. See addition and subtraction. You know children what is addition? One or more than one number. If we increase now children, that known as addition. Okay children. Now see here. We start addition now children. First you take right side value children. You take right side value. You add the right side value. You increase the right side value. Means first here how much children? 4. 4 is there now. Down 5 is there. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is increase that. 4 plus 5. 4 and take 5. 4 keep in your mind. Take 5 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How much you get? 9. Okay children. See here. This value is over now children. Next go to beside value. Here 5 is there now children. 5 keep in your mind. Here which number is there? 6 is there down. Take 6 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How much you get? 11. Here 11 you write children. That is wrong. 11 means right side value 1 first here write. 1 write carrying. Beside value you carry that number children. Okay. Here remaining value you carry here. Okay children. Now see here. Here 1 is there now children. 1 keep in your mind. Take 6 fingers. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 over now children. Again number is there children. 7 keep in your mind. Here which number is there? 3. Keep in your mind 7. Take 3 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10. 10 is there no children. Already I told right side value write down. Left side value carrying beside only. Okay children. Now see here. 1. Here which is there? Which number is there? 1. 1 keep in your mind. Here which number is there? 3. 3 take 3 fingers. 1 after 2, 3, 4. Here number is there children? No. Then you write 4. Did you understand children how to write? How to add the number? Okay children. Now see here. See here children. 4. 4. Keep in your mind. Take 8 fingers children. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay children. 12. 2 right side value you write down. Here 1 is there no? Carrying that value. Okay children. Now see here 1 is there no? 1. Keep in your mind. Which number is here? 5. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay children. Here again number is there no children. 6 keep in your mind. Here again 6 is there no? 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then same 12 came. 2 here right. 1 you carried that. Now see here. Here 1 is there no children. 1 keep in your mind. Which number here? 8. Take 8 fingers. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay children 9. Keep in your mind 9. Here number children. Then 10 you should write down only. Okay? Like this way you should do the problem, children. Again one more problem I will tell. Here 2 is there, no children. 2 keep in your mind. Take 8 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Already I told no, right side value first write down and left side value carrying that. Next, keep in your mind 1. Take 7 fingers. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 keep in your mind. Take 0 fingers. 8. No fingers, no children. You should write 8. Okay children, now see here 2. 2 keep in your mind. Take 6 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only single digit came means you should write down children. Okay, 2 digit means you write down and carrying that value. Next, 5 keep in your mind. Take 1 finger. 5 after 6. Okay now children. Now see here second bit children. Page number 27. First bit over. Remaining problem you do on your own children. Okay. Now second bit. Add down. Check by adding up. Down and up. Okay, see here how to do that problems. You see the arrow. One arrow down showing, one arrow up showing, no children. Now see here 8. Take 8. Keep in your 8. Keep in your mind children. Okay. Take 3 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11. 11 no children. One value you carry that, one value write down. Okay. Right side value down right. Now see here 1. Keep in your mind 1. Take 4 fingers. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 keep in your mind children. Here again 5 is there, no? Take 5 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 means 1 you carry that, 0 you should write down. Okay? Now keep in your mind 1. Take 2 fingers. 1 after 2, 3. 3 keep in your mind. Which number here? 9 no children. 3 keep in your mind. Take 9 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One value you carry and one value you write down. Now 1 keep in your mind. Take 6 fingers. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 keep in your mind. One more 1 is there, no? 7 keep in your mind. Take 1 finger. 1 after 7 after 8. Okay children. Up to down we adding no children. Here down to up you add that. Same value will come. Then once you check that. Okay. First you take 3 children. Keep in your mind. 3 keep in your mind. Take 8 fingers. Down to up we add no children. Now take 8 fingers. 3 keep in your mind. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One value you carry that. One value you write down. Next, keep in your mind children. 5 keep in your mind. Take 4 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 keep in your mind children. Here one more, 1 is there, no? 9. 9 keep in your mind. Take 1 finger. 9 after 10. See here. 9 keep in your mind. Take 2 fingers. 9 after 10, 11. 11 keep in your mind. Take 1 finger. Here up to down we are adding. How much you get? 8,201. Down to B1. See here. Up to down we add now children. Same to like this problem, like this way children. Okay. 4 keep in your mind. Take 7 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One value carry that. Now see here. Here which number you get children? 1. 1 keep in your mind. Take 5 fingers. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 keep in your mind children. Take 9 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Right side value you should write down. Left side value carry that. Next. 1 keep in your mind. Take 7 fingers. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 keep in your mind. Take 0 fingers children. You add that 8. Now see. Take 2 fingers. Keep in your mind. 2 keep in your mind. Take 3 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5. Okay children. See here. Same. Down to up you add that. 7 keep in your mind. Take 4 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. Now 9 keep in your mind. Take 5 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 keep in your mind. Take 1 finger. 15. Okay. 0 keep in your mind. Take 7 fingers. 0 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 keep in your mind. Take 1 finger. 8. 3 keep in your mind. Take 2 fingers. 3 after 4, 5. Okay. Again I will tell children. Arrow down showing no means. You see here. Up number and you add down number. Here down number. After you add that up number. Okay children. Same to write like that only children. This way only. Okay. Do on your own no children. Now see here. Remaining. See children. Page number 28. Same children. E to M is there no? Like this way. Given no children. Now see here how to write. Same to write like that only children. First you should write this number. 2, 6, 5, 7, 2. Next down you should write this number children. Every time you should write first right side. Okay children. First 3, 7, 8, 7, 2. Okay children. And like this. And same children, this one only. 2, 6, 5, 7, 2. 26,572. 2, 7, 8, 73. Okay children, see here. Same children, like this way you should write. Okay? Okay children. In this way you should write like this way you should write children. One arrow down and one arrow up. Okay? In these two methods you should write. Okay? First you should write this number children. Down you should write this number. Okay children? Same children, like this number also children. Okay, two methods you do that. Okay, now see here. Here, which number is there? 2. 2 keep in your mind. 3. Take 3 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5. Now see here. 7. 7 keep in your mind. Again 7 is there, no children. Take 7 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right side value down, you should write down, and the left side value beside only carry that. Okay. Now 1 keep in your mind. Take 5 fingers. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 keep in your mind. Take 8 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Here, keep in your mind. Take 6 fingers. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 keep in your mind. Again 7 you take 7 fingers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, 1 keep in your mind. Take 2 fingers. 1 after 2, 3. 3 keep in your mind. Take 2 fingers. 3 after 4, 5. Okay children, now you should add the down to upper. Okay children. Here which number is there? 3. 3 keep in your mind. Take 2 fingers. 3 after 4, 5. Take 7 keep in your mind. Take 7 keep in your mind. Take 7 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8 keep in your mind. Take 5 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 keep in your mind. Take 1 finger. 14. 7 keep in your mind. Take 6 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 keep in your mind. Take 1 finger. 14. 2 keep in your mind. Take 2 fingers. 2 after 3, 4. 4 keep in your mind. Take 1 finger. 5. See children. 54,445. 54,445. Same number came, no children. Here and here. Down to up means same number will come. Up to down means same number will come, no children. Okay children. You understand this problem? And do remaining problem also children. See here page number 28. 27 and 28 some problems is there, no children. Given some problems now you do on your own children. Okay. If any doubts contact me. Thank you.